Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a Flexi rod set on stretch hair. So I'm starting off with this thermal moisturizer from the Honey and Castor collection from Africa's Best, and I just used this as my heat protectant before I decided to blow dry my hair. We gonna go ahead and address the elephant in the room. It's not really an elephant, but y'all know my skin been going through it and I figured out what was going on. My mask was not hypoallergenic. I got some cute matte black, well they weren't matte, but I got some matte mask from Amazon, and that's what's been chewing up my jawline. So my skin has definitely improved. I've been trying out some new things as well, so if y'all are interested in that, let me know in the comment section below. That has nothing to do with this video. Here I am blow drying my hair because I am stretching my hair out before I go to do this Flexi rod set. Now, I would like to say that all the products I use as well as this blow dryer will be listed in the description box below. So make sure you guys check out the description box so you can get a direct link to the products and tools I used in this video. And my blow dryer was on medium to high heat, so it's completely up to you how you want to stretch your hair. I don't mind blow drying my hair because it's just easier and faster for me. Throughout this tutorial, you might see a lot of jump cuts because I was trying to record like that screaming TikTok where you're kind of like screaming and it's jumping through the steps. I was trying to kill two birds with one stone, but as y'all can see by the end of the video, y'all, I was plumb tired. Like I was so tired. But this is my hair fully blow dried. It's looking very thick and healthy, and we love to see that. So this is what my hair is looking like. I just kind of want to show y'all the health check, length check, and everything like that. I do have mad deodorant on, y'all. I gotta layer it up. I know I'm not the only one. And here I am sectioning my hair so I can start applying my Flexi rods. So I am taking my curl enhancing moisture butter from Carol's Daughter. I do apologize the brightness of the camera. I don't know what was happening, but in addition to that, I used my Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls for additional hold because I wanted my hair to last all weekend long. And so I'm focusing the Jelly Soft Curls gel toward the ends and the moisture butter kind of down the shaft of my hair and just brushing that into my hair, making sure I don't have too much product but just enough to create a nice smooth hold. I do apologize, I'm out of frame here because I didn't realize your girl hair, it just don't be in the frame because it done got so long. But you guys know from any previous Flexi rod videos that I flat wrap my hair around the Flexi rod, and I start from the bottom and wrap up. And so that basically just means you're like wrapping your hair Shirley Temple style on the Flexi rod, nice and flat. And then once I get up a nice bit, then I start actually wrapping the hair around the Flexi rod, almost like I am using a curling wand. So that's the technique that I do when I do my Flexi rod. You can see the hair is flat towards the bottom and then rodded up the Flexi rod towards the top, and then I just bend it at the root to secure it. So I'm just going ahead and doing this to the rest of my head. I took my time. Like I said, it was late but you want to make sure you just take your time so the style comes out good. One main thing when it comes to rod sets is you want to make sure your hair is fully dry and that your hair isn't oversaturated with product, because if you take these down and your hair is not fully dry or you have a bad product combination, like it's not gonna turn out bomb and you're gonna be like, my hair ain't turn out like Slim's. Alright y'all, so this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer and probably watch 1 or 1.5 episodes of like Good Girls or something. That's usually how I time how long I'm sitting under the hooded dryer. It's usually gonna be at least for an hour or an hour and 30 minutes. But I might do like maybe a movie on Netflix or something. And then by the time the movie's over, my hair should be fully dry. I don't want to sleep in these tonight because I'm not getting up super early in the morning to take these down and film the rest of this video. So I'm gonna, you know, take them down tonight and hope that they set really well by sitting under the hooded dryer. They will probably last longer if you do go to bed like this overnight, but going to bed with flexi rods is just very uncomfortable. Like your neck will be stiff, you'll have to like try and press and lean like that. So this is what I'm looking like. Sorry I didn't talk and did the voiceover. I'm gonna continue doing a voiceover after this, but y'all, I've been trying to do the little challenge, so if it works out, y'all see that on my Instagram and TikTok. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Also, for this little commercial break in between the voiceover, make sure y'all subscribe if y'all been enjoying this video and this content. Like this video, thumbs up, notification squad, all of that. Comment below hashtag gym squad, because the gym squad is the best squad in the world. Hey, and we got all our curls. I'm just playing. So gym squad were really dope, and we have a lot of people. It's a community of people loving each other and being positive. So make sure you comment hashtag gym squad, comment gym squad if you're listening to this right now, so I can know you watched the entire video, or at least watched thus far. So I want to see how many of y'all rocking with me and y'all part of the gym squad. I love y'all so very much, and let's get into it. The hooded dryer, by the way, y'all gonna ask, the hooded dryer is usually on like medium high heat, and then at the end I blast with cool. So I kind of alternate it so it's not overly too much. Because I blow dried my hair and the length of my hair, like my hair is not really that thick, so I don't have that many flexi rods. I'm gonna count them because y'all always ask. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 19 flexi rods in my head, so boom. And I just have a whole bunch of colors because I just used what I had. Thank you, Winifred. I never returned these to you after borrowing them from you in college. Alright, let's go dry, and I'll be back after my hair is dry, okay? Alright, so after sitting under the hooded dryer, it's now time to take these flexi rods out of my head. Earlier in the voiceover, y'all, I kept saying perm rods. I could not get it right. That's why it sounded like I was saying flexi rod set in my Siri voice. But yes, I'm using my Neo Curly. This is their Like a Blossoming Sunflower Nourishing Oil. I'm using that oil just to help minimize frizz while taking down my flexi rods. And so here I'm just separating my hair, making sure to twist the hair in the direction that it came off of the flexi rod. And I'm just taking my time to separate my hair because I didn't want too much frizz, because again, like I said, I was trying to make this look last the entire weekend, which it did. It actually lasted me about a week and a half. A lot of times you guys ask me, how long do these type hairstyles last? And for me, they typically last about a week and a half wearing it out. Now, from that week and a half later, I can put it in a bun and still have like the curls on the end, so I have a nice curly bun. But I figure I'd throw that in there while I'm talking about this voiceover and showing you guys how I separate my hair. So as you can see, my hair is looking nice and shiny, and I screamed right there because that was a part of my TikTok that I was trying to do. Y'all, it came out trash, but I think I'm gonna still post it because I was plumb tired, like I told y'all, and I put the effort in to try to make that video happen. So y'all might see it on my other socials. And so yeah, we're just taking down the hair, not doing anything too crazy, just taking our time as we separate the hair, adding more oil to the fingers so we minimize frizz. And my hair looks nice and shiny. And for the most part, my entire head was dry. I believe I did put the flexi rods back in the front two pieces overnight because they were just a little bit, they could have dried just a little bit longer. So I really wanted to make sure that that part of my hair was dried and very defined. So I did put the flexi rods back in the front two pieces of my hair overnight. And so this is basically what my hair looked like. This is some nice slow-mo action so you guys can get into the curls. I will say by this time, y'all, my lips was so crusty. Like it's red on one side. It was so crusty. That's how long it took my hair to dry. Y'all seen I was juicy at the beginning, now my lips dry. Don't judge me. It was super late, but you know, I'ma always come on here and address it. So you know that I know my lips crusty, okay? Love y'all. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. My hair looks really good. I think I am going to re-rod just this very front portion because it wasn't fully dry. So I'm just gonna re-rod the front, just these literally 2 rods right here, while I go to bed tonight because your girl is tired. I got a hot date tomorrow and I'm tired tonight. So I'm about to put my hair up. All I do is put it in a pineapple, which is literally just putting a hairband around my hair like this one time and putting it in a bonnet. So that's all I'm gonna do tonight, but the curls are curling. And yeah, we'll see how it kind of stretches out. Right now it's still pretty short. We could stretch it out, but I want it to last all weekend, so I'm just gonna wear it like so, like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I haven't done a natural hair tutorial in a minute, and y'all been coming for my throat for not doing a natural hair tutorial. I literally just haven't been doing my natural hair because I've been trying to keep up with everything, and so I've just been wearing like slick back ponytails and buns. But since I got a hot date, I figured I'd do a little something for y'all. So this is what we got. Well, it's not gonna look like this, y'all. This is what we got. We'll fluff it out even more, but I don't want to fluff it too much because like I said, I want it to last all weekend. And right now it is time for me to go to bed. So y'all see in the thumbnail what it looks like and everything, but this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more natural hair videos or like step-by-step tutorials, please let me know if those are the videos you want to see by commenting below. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, because if you've watched this far, that basically means you're feeling the vibe and you're enjoying this, and you might as well join the gym squad. And that's basically meaning you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe, sis. Subscribe, bro. Subscribe, you. Okay, subscribe. Join the gym squad. I love y'all so very much. Thank y'all for tuning in, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye guys.